The Acura NS 2017 is the modern successor to the original NSX from the 1990s, a car known for combining supercar performance with reliability. After production of the first model ended in 2005, Acura spent over 10 years developing a new version. The 2017 NSX was officially revealed at the North American International Auto Show and marked a major shift in concept. Unlike its predecessor, it uses a hybrid system that combines a twin-turbo V6 engine with 3 electric motors, creating an advanced all-wheel drive setup. This technology allows precise handling and strong acceleration, producing about 573 horsepower. The car was developed mainly in the United States and built in Ohio, highlighting Acura's global approach. Inspired by engineering principles once influenced by Ayrton Senna, the new NSX focuses on balance, innovation, and everyday usability,